Welcome to the CryptoNest. So, Bitcoin, as we can see, well, fourth wave. Now, this is the challenging part. It just reached the minimum requirement. We can see three wave down. This can still be, an A overshooting wave B and a C. But then now we need to remember that by doing that count, we may not have a lower low like for this wave A because we did the overshooting wave B. So let's see now the levels. Okay, this is my my less bullish count. So you can see that this could have been already done, right? Because this is the A, overshooting wave B, and I cannot be because we did that spike afterwards, and now we're going lower. So 65,584. This could be a level where the price could react. Do I want to keep it there? I'm not sure. Let me just move it around like this. And so I'm just going to say this is the A. This was the B. And maybe this level is going to be the C. All right, so this is one of the counts. To be fair, okay, also, okay, let one step at a time, I want to add the 1.618, so we still can go to the 63,774 in the case that price doesn't hold at the 1-to-1 ratio. Now we did went bend on at the 0.618, so you can see that, and we had a lot of support here, right? Well, a little bit. So you can see Fibonacci levels do counts for something, right? Now I could put a downtrend here, but it's going to be a shaky because like it's just 2 points and it's very short. But yeah, as long as this trend is not broken, we should be continue to go lower. So now first reaction once again 65,552, and if we break that one 1.618, 63,774. Also you can see here we have a quite of support now that we can hold on it. And yeah, I'm not expecting a $60,000. I mean, it can always do that. And yeah, like, let me see another things I want to check before. Could it be that this is already, this fifth wave, it's already ongoing? It is possible, all right? And this could be, yeah, I don't want to say an A, a B, and a C because this is too short. If we really go now and break this downtrend and we go really higher, I would say, 69,500, 70,000, even maybe perhaps 71,000, then I could say, okay, maybe this was indeed the end of the fourth wave, and this is the A, this was the B, and eventually we do the C, and that would be just the wave 1 of 5. Okay, so this would be extremely bullish, and if we do that, then yeah, for sure we can get to maybe 95,000, perhaps even 100,000, depending on retailers. Maybe they kick in, FOMO kick in, and then everybody's join the party. And for sure, retailers are going to join the party at the end when there is almost about the last call. So when we are going to see that retailers are coming, it's about our signal to get out from the market. I know it's sad, but it's like that. We join the party early, we are exhausted, we need to rest. So we just take our shit, and go home and wait for the next party. And the thing about us in crypto, that we live for crypto and we check chart every day, we're always looking for parties and we get there early, so we get the best spots. So that's why yeah, we should be pretty much successful if we continue to do that. All right, so on top of that, I don't like big crowds. So when there is a lot of people in the party, it's time for me to go. All right, so yeah, so this is what I'm looking now. Let's go back to the more serious things. But you know, in case we break here, I mean, we could do something more complex, like a WXY, I don't know, XZ, and we still manage to go to didn't want that, sorry, to 59,000. And to me, perhaps until we don't break this level here, I'm still super bullish. Even if we break that one, okay, it's going to be less bullish, but I'm still super bullish on Bitcoin. So no bear market talking for me. I mean, Bitcoin, it did 400%, is it? At least. Yeah, so no bear market here. And you can see that it's respecting Fibonacci, so I don't know. I don't know why people just start to talk about bear markets. And all right, now if we go lower, it could be also that there's still the fourth wave it's here, and then this is just the A. I think I mentioned, right? If I take a bigger picture now, because you know, if I do say that this is the A, this is the B, and we're going to make the C, it's a little bit shaky. But if we need to make a diagonal, yeah, then I'm going to say, okay, this was the A, we're going to do the B, a nice decent B. And so as you can see, the 1-to-1 ratio is here. The previous peak is here, so it's pretty much near, right? And after that, we go another one here to make the C. And all that would be just the one. And this is how we can get to 90,000, 95,000 with just this fifth wave. Because, you know, it's, and you know, on top of that, maybe we make extension. So super bullish on Bitcoin. All right, so let me check quickly some RSI just for fun. So it's not surprise Bitcoin is going to go a little bit lower. We do have, as you can see, the stock RSI is getting there to the oversold, and also the RSI it's chilling off and recovering, so that's perfect. Also, we do have a bearish divergence. You can see that the RSI from this level is downtrend, but the price it's uptrend, so that's for something. What else do I want to mention? Let me go on the daily. Well, weekly it's a little bit too much. So on the daily, you can see that we can still go higher. We're not overbought yet. Well, stock RSI, yeah, it's overbought, but it can go, you can stay on those levels for several period of time. Look at this little guy here. It's from 29th of June to 21 of February. Okay, so this is no problem. Those are just indicators that they can confirm something. And honestly, I should put it out because I really use it to time an entry point, but never use it as an exit point, unless the two are, yeah, maybe overbought, but the price, it's really, I believe that we exhausted our extension. We have a full count and everything is done for me. So then maybe I'm going to consider to get out, but you know, it's I mainly use them for entry point. And what else did I want to say? Ethereum yesterday, it did skyrocket pretty nice. Well, I'm sorry, yesterday. In the last month, I would say. So it did react very well. Let me go on the 4 hours now. I think I didn't really like... Okay, the 1-2, it's a little bit shaky because it did went... Let me take the full screen here. It did wick a little bit too low. It's momentarily weak, that's 4 hours, so it's still acceptable, but you know, ideally it wouldn't go below the 0.786. Now this third wave, not that bad. We did reach the 2.38 for the third wave, so that's actually pretty good, right? And once again, we are in this dilemma. Let me check if, yeah, that's good. Just wanna double check my my levels. Yeah, they're good. All right, so I'm not satisfied with this fourth wave for the moment. We didn't even reach the minimum, so I'm still waiting for this to happen. Now, what was my count here? I think this was for the wave B. Check here, change a little bit. Oh, yeah, because it did overlap, right? So let me extend that here. It is a little bit messy. So let me put it a little bit more readable. I think it was 1.5. Let's take out these levels here. Now should be a little bit better. We went higher. 1 point. More likely we did reach the 1.286. Okay, bend on 1.286. Let me take out this one, so we don't need it. And also, let me just keep one. Okay. So now the theory for Ethereum is we did a wave A, we just did overshooting wave B, and we should do the C. Let me update this also. So what was this one? Where are the levels for this little guy? So this was the 1, this is the 2, wave A, wave C, what? I think someone messed up with my charts. Okay, so there is no way this can be wave A, wave C, unless A, B, C. That's crazy. Anyway, don't know what happened there. Maybe sometimes you have your phone on your pocket, it does unlock and it does crazy things. All right, so let's redo it here. Wave A to wave B. Let me move it a little bit around here. Obviously, I'm not going to go and put the 1.6 on it. Let's see. Okay, so because of the overshooting, then we do have the 3,411, which kind of we reach momentarily with, I think that was Biden announcement, was it? Sunday at 12, yeah, that's about it. And now we're going there. Can we go lower? So once again, I don't feel putting it, but because I just take it out, but yeah, the 1.618. I honestly would prefer if we can break below the 1-to-1 ratio, go to the 1.618, really reach the 0.236 for the fourth wave. I honestly would make me more comfortable with this count here. Just wanna move that around and maybe this one here. Oops. So I think it's going to be a little bit better for the chart. And then I'm going to put this one as a left. Oh man. Anyway, just leave it like that. Need to try to set up so that the object names, they don't show up, because I find it very annoying. All right, so A, B, C. I'm expecting lower levels now, a little bit lower, not crazy lower. ideally 3,340. And that's pretty much it. 15 minutes, that's way too long. I just want to make a quick review here on Cardano. Okay, so Cardano, very bullish for the moment, in my opinion. We did a 1-2, third wave, we reached the 2x, and now we're doing this fourth wave. That's I think accurate. It's a bit right. I think I'm going to make some cleanup here. This was a level that I don't know when I said watch this level. Price, it did react. It's still reacting for this fourth wave. It looks like fourth wave is not finished. So we can go a little bit lower, and ideally, yeah, we go and reach this 40 cents, but it would be still good enough for that. But once again, we need this fifth wave up. Otherwise, this is just make 3 waves and it kind of sketchy. What I like about this is it's this side movement. And let's remember, when the wave 2, it's very short. The fourth wave is going to be a long one. For the moment, well, check that. We're doing that. Fetch, not doing much since the migration. We can count, it did follow, right? Now, I feel like changing a little bit this count, and it's making it really crazy, because now, yeah, I think I need to redo my count possibly, and count this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, and all this as a wave 3, right? I feel more comfortable like that. And within this, yeah, third wave, 1, 2, this could be just the third, this is the fourth and fifth eventually. So how do I see it now? Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's exactly like this. So let me see what's the count here for minor. Yeah, okay, 1, 2. And I don't know if you remember, I did say, I feel uncomfortable calling this a fourth wave. It's too short. We are on the 4 hours candle. That's 2 candle for a wave 4. Crazy. So this start to be better. This is the third wave. Going to move the possible fourth wave around. And this is more decent, in my opinion, anyway. Okay, let me move this little fellow. It's not even the good one. Okay, so this honestly now it really starts to make sense. Once again, this is going to be a long video. I'm so sorry. This is going to be the A, this is the B, and we're making this C now currently. If I calculate the target for the C wave, all right, so we would go a little bit below the 0.5. We could just wick down, touch that level and go, or perhaps just not go there. And the only thing I would like to see now, it's a new local lower low for this C wave. So I would like to have something here that beat, yeah, make just a new lower low. I would be very pleased. Also, I want to mention that this could be, yeah, I'm going to change the labels after, because yeah, that's not bad. A, this was the B, this is the C, the D, and now we're making the E. Okay, so this is another possible count. I want to make it, yeah, a minute, yellow. And perhaps, hopefully, you can see what I'm seeing. Changing the color now, so it's more. Okay, so this is 4 hours, so yeah, it's a little bit of a sketch. And for a moment, honestly, we almost got invalidated here because this D wave was very high. But yeah, for a moment, it's working. It's looking good. So we have two scenarios now. Is it a B, and now we're doing a DC, and this is the area where we should look for a price reversal, or we're doing this A, B, C, D, E, and yeah, what happened after the E? Price should be yeah, just make it under 80 and break first of all this downtrend. Coincidentally, it's going to break also the MA50 because this red line is the MA50 and just skyrocket and give us that fifth wave. 3, 4, 5. Yes. All right, so this is for fetch. Well, you know, at the end, I think this is going to be a long video. So for Avax, we did have micro counting 5 waves. We had an A, a B. Unfortunately, we never had that lower low for that wave C. And yeah, I'm very, very sorry because I was expecting lower levels to open a leverage, but then it just didn't happen. Now, the unfortunate part is this is the third wave now. I cannot see anything else. Can I count something? I'm trying to see if I can see a triangle, but this is 5 wave up. But now I really feel. Let me label here. So this is wave 1. This is wave 2. And then now, yeah, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And this would be a diagonal for the third wave. Let's see if it does work out like this. And if this count is accurate, because I'm not saying I have the absolute reading of charts. So now I'm a little bit lost. Yeah, fourth wave. Move it a little bit on the side. So levels that we should look for, it's the price for a rejection price, or actually supported price. It's $30.88, $29.62, $28.65, and actually now, because it's a diagonal, well, I need to add 0.618, 27.70. All right, now I really need to go quick glance on Solana. Still didn't got invalidated, but we're so close, and we are close now. Once again, the scenario, I was already there, man. Let me take it out. Okay, taking my brush again. So this was the wave A, this is the B, this is the C, and now we did the D. I feel comfortable to say that now, actually, it was so nice level to maybe short this level here. If we go higher, the more we go near the B level here, the more I'm willing maybe to short something. And yeah, once again, if we go higher and we make a higher high of the wave B, it does invalidate discounts. So I'm going to get out. So once again, if price now reverse, which I would be very surprised, then yeah, I believe now we're going to make this E. I'm not expecting E to get to this level, perhaps maybe just here. 140, anyway, between 140 and 145. The reason is because we're going to have the MA50 and 200 at that level, so I think price will hold at that level. Let's see if I'm right. No crystal ball here. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Sorry for the long video. I will try to do better next time. Alright, bye.